Hello everybody, this is Tiziana Angiolini who is presenting her first reflection on the Moodle Virtual Conf 2018. I have already followed many editions of this virtual conference that takes place in August, and this year I have been online for just a few sections. Here is my reflection about what we have been doing or what we have seen online. First of all, the world of education is changing and more teachers and learners are working in a different way. Teachers are connected and there are new ways of working thanks to the technology. Online learning is the keyword that is reshaping education, and there are many advantages. Here is the screenshot of the first day, which was on Friday, and I was online by accessing one event, which was increasing access social inclusion through mobile learning, and I also saw part of Tapped and Revised. Then I missed on the second day some events I was interested in, but I could see the event about theatre for English language learners. And I missed, as I said, something I would have been interested on. Sunday was the day on which there were the main events, but I was not online, so again I missed some important events which I'm going to watch as they have been recorded. What I have learned, the community of educators have shared a lot of ideas, and Dr. Nelly Doig has been the one who has provided all these events. Sharing is the key word. Sharing implies that each educator is presenting what we are maybe familiar with or what they have found interesting in doing. My idea for the first reflection is to think about the importance of learning online. Learning online, I have written here, is an adventure. It is important for our professional development, but also for the learners, because learners today can have the possibility of working together and improve communication. What I did on the first day was to see a Boston presentation, which was really engaging because she talked about mobile learning, which was something that is reshaping education. And actually, what I really liked was the focus on which she presented the topic. As she said, mobile learning is something that is almost everywhere, and UNESCO has recognized that mobile technology can really help and enable learning. And also, if you look at the number of devices, the mobile devices that we have, you will see that more and more children, young people, and also adults can have access to learning thanks to the use of their mobiles. So it's important to think of how we could implement the use of mobiles in our teaching situations and also to improve the communication between schools and families. So this was the starting point. The presentation was really engaging because I had never thought that UNESCO would underline the importance and the benefits of mobile learning. And here is the screenshot of what was underlined during the webinar. It really focused on important things like, for example, assisting learners with disabilities, bridging the formal and informal learning, support integrated learning, and I agree with this important point, which is building new communities of learners. So mobile learning, here is more or less what I have written in my post. So I was online, and the great experience of this scholar made me reflect on the importance of mobile learning and how education is changing. But during these days, it must have been just a week ago, we found in the news that the French government has decided that students, the younger one, will not have to use the mobile in school. And also in my teaching situation, a lot of teachers are reluctant to use the mobile phone. But the mobile phone has been recognized that can really increase social inclusion, and mobile learning can open really the mind, new ways of learning. So for me, it's important to be aware of what we can do, and to recognize the importance of the document presented by the presenter, because learning doesn't only happen in the classroom, it can happen everywhere. It can happen also on a different level outside school, and it's important to provide opportunities for learning to people who maybe have difficulties to have access to education. And this is why she also mentioned, for example, the number of refugees who have come also to Europe, for example, and they have a mobile tool. So I had to reflect on what had happened, and on what she presented. So maybe I will have to explore and to learn more about the tools that my student could use while learning in English in my case. So I talked about WhatsApp, which is very important, an app which is free, and maybe to think of more activities that might enhance my learning with them, because learning should be also be fun. I feel that the future of mobile learning has started. It has already started, which is starting somewhere. And I feel that maybe also at university level, and also in other levels of education, it should be fewer people who are reluctant in uptaking while learning. So I'm open to this change, and I feel that it can help people. So I had a question for the speaker, which I couldn't in some way ask during the recording because there were some delays. Which are the apps that can be used with our student? I have already used some of them, but mainly use them by using the computer. So my idea is to get into a sort of research to find more to teach them English. Here is the final reflection, which I've already posted online, and you can find, and I will also add the recording. Thanks a lot.